Hi children, welcome to Chandrayanagutta Boys 1. This is Ramesh, TGT Social Studies. Now I am going to explain about main concepts in social studies. Important concepts. Important concepts in social studies. Look at once. Globe is a model of the earth. Globe representing our earth, our planet earth. It is a model of the earth and 3D, 3 dimensional, spherical in shape. Spherical shape. These globes showing landmass. We can see landmass on globe and water bodies. Now we can observe on this globe land masses, continents, and countries also we can observe. In water bodies we can observe oceans, 5 oceans, seas and river. Another one is map. Now what is meaning of map? Map is a representation of the earth but it is a flat surface, flat on surface. Globe is a spherical in the shape, but this map is a flat surface. Globe like it is a globe. This circle represents the globe. This flat surface represents the map. Now we can observe some maps. Three. Sketch. This sketch is different from map. Map is a different, sketch is a different. This sketch is a rough drawing. This sketch not drawn as per scale. Now fourth point is scale. For example, one person want to go one place, it is A, B. From A to B 1 kilometer. A to B, distance between A to B 1 kilometer. This 1 kilometer distance we cannot show on map because map is a very small. This 1 kilometer distance we cannot show on map. To solve this problem we have one scale. scale is a ratio of between 2 points or 2 places on map to the actual distance of the ground. Now, scale is a ratio between 2 places or 2 points on the map to the actual distance of the ground. An actual distance on the ground 1 kilometer, but on map instead of this 1 kilometer we are showing that 1 kilometer into 1 centimeter. We are reducing 1 kilometer distance between 2 places to the 1 centimeter. This is a scale.